Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Callaway Golf Maverick Max Iron Set. This is one of the best iron set for high handicapper in the market. This iron set uses artificial intelligence features that's in hand give the best for experienced players and beginners. One of the most notable is the flash face cup technology, which allows exceptional ball speed. The face architecture is unique in it re-loft to boost spin and speed after hitting the ball. For the first time, we're using artificial intelligence in an iron. We've created a sophisticated face architecture that's unique to every loft, so we can create a significant boost in ball speed and increase spin robustness off of every iron. Built for total distance with a larger body and a deeper CG for increased forgiveness and easy launch. The custom tungsten-infused weights in each iron allow us to locate the position of the CG in each iron with extraordinary. The urethane microspheres are also impressive. Number 2 in this best high handicapper iron set list is Lazarus Premium Golf Iron Set. The Lazarus Premium irons that cavity back irons provide a wide sole that easily moves through the turf to create crisp contact with the golf ball. A great set of irons can't be beat. This is a well-balanced golf club from a new manufacturer. Feels good and looks good. We'll buy more clubs from this company. This Lazarus Golf Iron Set is one of the best value golf clubs for men on the market. This Lazarus Golf Iron Set is made in the same place as some of today's top golf iron sets, for 1/4 the price. Our premium golf irons were created for normal everyday golfers like you or weekend warriors, but without the crazy price tag. Truly amazing golf club irons that will shave strokes at an amazing price. Individual golf 4 iron, 5 iron, 6 iron, 7 iron, 8 iron, 9 iron and pitching wedge make up this 7-piece golf set. Right-handed, step steel shaft, regular flex with custom Lazarus grips. Deep grooves for great spin, control and consistency from the fairway, fringe or rough. Our third pick is Wilson Golf Set. If value for money is what you are looking for, then the Wilson Golf Profile SGI Men's Complete Golf Set is one product that should be on your radar. Great product for anyone as a beginner to golf. The clubs are more than nice enough and the bag is light for carrying. The iron is one of the highlights of this set of golf clubs. It is made of stainless steel, which is known for its durability. It also has a perimeter weighting, which will improve the position of the center of gravity to optimize the performance of high handicappers. Complete Golf Set includes premium components, advanced materials, and the latest technologies. 460cc driver features large sweet spot and aerodynamic design to improve head speed and deliver greater distance. Deep, undercut stainless steel cavity back irons are precision engineered for longer, straighter shots. Lightweight, premium carry bag features adjustable shoulder straps, rugged handle top, numerous pockets, and self-activating stands. For details, let's watch more.
The Wilson Profile SGI Men's Complete Golf Set features a unique custom fit system. This box set comes in standard and tall sizes for both right and left-handed players. The oversized driver features a large sweet spot for improved performance on off-center hits, while the irons feature very low center of gravity and a hot, thin face for superior accuracy and better distance. The Easy Launch Sand Wedge features a wide sole for better greenside control. A popular heel-toe weighted putter with a soft alignment grip provides superior feel and accuracy. The self-activating stand bag has a handle top, plenty of storage, and an adjustable airflow double shoulder strap. The set also includes premium material head covers with flannel lining and soft all-weather grips. The Profile SGI Men's Complete Set has everything you need to get your game started the right way.
Fourth pick in our best iron set for high handicapper list is TaylorMade SIM MAX Irons. The Taylormates SIM MAX Irons are innovative features that can improve the performance of any newbie. One of the highlights is the Speed Bridge technology. It provides the strategic support needed by the club's top line to make the distance more enough. Revolutionary Speed Bridge technology strategically supports the top line of the iron to unlock explosive distance and forgiveness with improved sound and feel. Designed with energy channeling geometry to quickly eliminate harsh vibrations at impact, delivering better feel without sacrificing face flexibility. Patented TaylorMade technology engineered to maximize face flexibility for increased ball speed and forgiveness on low face strikes. Last in this list is Cobra Golf Combo Set. These irons have the body and soul of a hybrid wood, but with the lofts of your favorite short irons. High handicappers will be floored at how high these irons launch the ball and with the muscle rarely. Forged E9 face. A high-strength steel face is designed with variable thickness E9 technology to ensure no distance is left behind, even on off-center hits. Baffler rails. Baffler rails allow the club to glide effortlessly through any turf condition, making a great shot outcome always possible. Hollow construction. A hollow design, though the set gives every club the superpower of hybrid-like launch and distance. Forged E9 face. A high-strength steel face is designed with variable thickness E9 technology to ensure no distance is left behind, even on off-center hits. For details, let's watch more.